Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Chart styles in Excel let you quickly and easily apply a themed style to your chart and its elements. To apply or change a chart style, select a chart or a chart element. Then roll your mouse pointer over the Chart Styles within the Chart Styles button group on the Design tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon to preview how each style would appear within the selected chart. Then click the style choice you prefer to apply it to the selected chart. Another way to change your chart style is to click or tap the Chart Styles button at the right side of the selected chart. In the side menu that appears, click or tap the Style command if needed to view the scrollable listing of chart styles. Then click or tap the chart style within the scrollable list to apply to the selected chart.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.